My lovely tourists, please walk slowly and keep right to avoid bumping with other people. Let us start our walking tour, my lovely tourists. We are all here at the Rose Garden. This attraction in Burnham has opened following the rehabilitation as part of the University of Cordilleras initiative, including green architectures and a sustainable organic approach. Roses of all hues and sizes may be seen in this area, which is located near the entrance of Burnham Park. Aside from rose, there is also a fountain that you may enjoy, especially at night because of the colors and the speakers all throughout the area where you can sing along to the music. On our right side, you can see the public comfort room with a minimum fee of 5 pesos. Now, we are here at Burnham Lake, the heart of Burnham Park. The body of water is approximately 3.04 meters deep or 10 feet. Boat rentals are available on the lake for both visitors and locals. Burnham Lake is a perfect place for meditation, as calm as the placid lake during the early hours of the morning. My lovely tourists, don't miss your chance to experience to row those boats for only 100 to 150 pesos. You can enjoy one to Sawa with your friends and family. Burnham also has a biking area. If you don't want to row those boats, cycling is a good option for you and for your loved ones. The price may vary from 80 pesos to 200 depending on what kind of bike you want to avail. At the end of the biking area, adults can be seen skateboarding and performing tricks. Also, Burnham offers a children's park. If you have children, that is the best part of the park to visit. The playground equipment was made more creative, making it more enjoyable for children to explore. If you do not have children with you, you may have picnics or simply rest, as there are tables in this area. There are also other swings of various types. For skaters, at the southern end of Burnham Park, a public rink was constructed where skate rentals are available. Lastly, the Melvin Jones. This space is usually reserved for large events such as concerts and other socio-civic activities. This is also a fairly large field, so when there are no major events scheduled, it is a popular spot for students to practice their dance and Zumba. There is also a big stage and a wide, clean and green open field for all activities, including sporting events like soccer. Okay, my lovely tourists, do you have any questions about Burnham Park? None? Okay, great. I will be giving you 1 hour and 10 minutes to explore Burnham Park. Please make sure to meet me here at the same spot at exactly 9:25 a.m. Please synchronize your time with me. Time check, it's already 8:15 a.m. Enjoy, my lovely tourists. How was your experience, my lovely tourists? Are you happy? I believe that you spend your time wisely. It is just our first destination, my lovely tourists. 1 down, 6 to go. We will be heading to Museo Cordillera to fill your mind and eyes with the culture of Cordilleras. But before that, I will just do a quick head count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15 beautiful and handsome tourists. Please follow your beautiful tour guide again to the parking area where Kuya Patrick is patiently waiting for us.